Well, hello, this is the final boss, and this is Ciphercraft. You can see right there. All right, so I'm jumping in. This is kind of like a technology sim. El mouse. Cat. Yes, cat, 100%. Final boss editing. Yes, I do want to start game tutorial. To send the repaired item, place it on the rack next to the exit door. Okay.
To your new service office.
Oh my god, that's terrifying.
Ziflink. I will assist you. Before we start, I have to make sure that you are not a robot. Please move forward.
I have to turn the graphics resolution down to a medium. Yes. All right, I'm moving forward.
Now, turn around. Excellent. You got the basics.
Dude, I hope you guys can hear that voice. It is terrifying.
Sometimes you will need some parts. Please, make an order. To do it, go to your computer.
Computer.
Oh, something is wrong. Close your service now or face dire consequences. We're watching. I just got disconnected. I feel different. What was that? Check your email. Oh, you have to be careful. We will work on security, but for now, let's come back to your work.
If you want something bad to happen, close it. Alright, I'll close. I'm closing. Summary of new offers. Welcome customers. Basic issues. You're owner of IT service. Yes. So I'm running an IT business. Alright.
Click on show and then on the configurator.
Configurator.
Choose
Configurator.
motherboard, processor and RAMs.
Okay. Add them all to your cart.
Go to checkout and place your order.
Interesting.
That was an exhausting day. Anyway, that's it for now. Go home, use the doors to quit, and finish your day.
Okay, what's this down here? H. Oh, motherboard mission. Okay, so there's like a little pop-out mission bar. Unbox. Okay, so I gotta go home now. So I power off. Though the power is still on. So there's that. Ev-link. Door. So I live in a dungeon. Locked door. I've locked myself out of my own. Can I do something with these pallets? No. How do I open it? Alright, fine. I'll go to door. Oh. I do like that they have some, like, circuitry stuff in here. So if I can learn some... Oh, that's my baño. Okay. I guess I go over here. Exit door. Confirm. I go to the next day now.
So you can get down to business.
By holding down the left mouse.
Holding down the left mouse button only.
Okay. Where do my parts come in? Oh, here they are. Alright. Okay.
Now put the motherboard on the workstation. To do this, just left click on the workstation
Put item.
while holding the motherboard. Then go to
CPU.
work mode by clicking on the workstation.
Then go to work mode by clicking on the workstation. I'm on the workstation.
WSAD keys. Movement.
Okay, okay.
The scroll wheel. Change the camera angle. Hold down the RMB and move the mouse. Now let's move on to putting the motherboard together. It's easy, you'll see. Unlock the lever and CPU cover by clicking on them. Insert the CPU by clicking on the slot and selecting the appropriate item. Lock this slot by very well. Let's
Very well.
unlock the array. Click on the slot and select exit the mode by clicking ESC.
Whew.
Then you can sell the motherboard.
Yeah, that auto reader is
To
rough.
sell an item, hold Alt and left mouse button on it.
Oh, hold Alt and left mouse. Oh, why am I crouching? Hold Alt. Oh, whoops.
Before we go any further, I have something for you.
Oh, it's so
Open the
creepy,
box
man.
on the table.
I'm so freaked
On
out.
the phone you will find useful applications.
Tablet
Some of them are also on your computer. Notes store information useful in performing certain activities. To hide, remove the phone. Press Q. Let me show you another way to make money. Open the contracts app on your phone.
Contracts.
You will find job orders from clients. Accept the available order. After accepting the order, you will get an email with details from the client. So now open the email application.
Okay. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of UI in this, I gotta say.
The active server application is on your computer desktop. Enter the application.
Okay, it's on desktop. Press Q to make this go away, right? Yeah, okay. Whew, okay.
This is where client server follow the order. Once you've done everything, enter the contracts application and complete the order.
Okay. What do they want me to do? Lead support. Remove Martin Warwick. Change Clement's password to paper solution 13. Oh, I can copy on here. Oh, dude, I gotta say, whoever built this like UI in here is pretty impressive, but still crazy. Delete you. Delete. Manage the password. All right, I think that's that. And then we're gonna go back to my contracts, right? You took the assignment. The contract's complete. You know, if you haven't fully finished it. Uh-oh. What did I not finish? What did I not finish? Email. Change to paper solution and check the option in which this employee will have to change his password next login. Oh, I see. Well, frick. Alright, fine. There's the IT admin. I mean, this is like my normal job, just making sure people have updated things. This is great. I'm good at that.
Congratulations.
I did it. I'm glad it warned me.
Take a rest, and when you come back, we will continue to work with you. Move on to the next day.
Dude, that voice though needs to stop existing. Just sell this crap. Oh no, there's a secret code on the ground. That's concerning. Dude, I will say, like, the amount of like attention to detail here is pretty crazy. New type of batteries. Put my electric box maybe over here. Oh, there's another creepy note with a password on it. I don't love that. There's like all these codes. Oh my goodness, look at all. There's something afoot here. But I'm just gonna leave and not worry about the people threatening me. Yeah, I like the way I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna.
Now go to your computer and turn on the courses application.
Okay, computer, courses, let's go.
Here you can acquire new skills and develop the ones you already have. Each course will teach you how to perform a certain activity,
Programming.
unlock new contracts, and much more. It just so happens that I have a discount.
Okay, solder. Okay.
Welcome to the soldering course.
Ooh.
Pick up the RFID board and place it on the soldering station.
It's a reader. Where's the board? Resistors. RFID board. I'm guessing it means the RFID reader. Which is fine. Put
Now
item.
enter the working mode by clicking LMB on the soldering station.
Yeah. LMS. To hide user hide inventory, press tab. Pick an item on the workstation with RMB. Put it down left of me. Using screwdriver, remove the screws. Ooh, okay. There's a lot. I mean, this is good though. I feel like this would teach you.
Unscrew the screws.
Pick up the screwdriver. A little hard to click. I feel like I should be clicking on that. Oh yeah, it goes. Like click high. Oh, that hitbox is
Put down
tiny.
the screwdriver and remove the cover by take a tissue and holding
Okay.
the left mouse button on the board. Move the mouse until the dirt disappears.
Where's my cleaning thing? I feel like I need to. Okay, can I zoom out and get a wipe? Ah, there it is. Am I cleaning it? I'm seeing progress. I'm seeing green. I'm seeing green. Come on. Alright, we did it. Click on the red switch to turn on the multimeter. When you select the appropriate mode, to find which mode to choose, look at the bottom right corner of the mat. Dude, this is great. I mean, if someone is learning electrical engineering, this is a great way in like computer science. And I do my little soldering projects. So I you know, this is awesome. This is like a very affordable way to learn this stuff.
Turn on the multimeter.
Okay.
Set the appropriate mode for the component you want to measure. Pick up the probes and measure the resistor values.
Okay, so that needs to be 2 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, 20 kilo ohm, 20 kilo ohm. Okay. So I need to put this on 2 kilo ohm, right? I think that's right. So the appropriate one of the component you want to measure, pick up the probes and measure the resistor values. Thought I just checked. These are not correct. Right? Because this was telling me it wanted it to be 2 kilo ohms. Right? That's capacitance or resistance? I don't quite remember. On. Set a temperature starting arrow. So desolder.
Turn on the soldering iron. Set the temperature to 300 with the red.
I don't know if I
button
did
the
that.
resistor.
I don't know if I did that
element
right.
has two solvers. Then take a new resistor and put it in place of the old one.
Do I have any copper? Don't I need copper wire to unsolder something? I need the unsoldering wire. I need to pick that up. I mean, I should be on, right? It's 300. Oh. Oh. There we go. Okay. Come on now. Melt it. Melt it. That the element has two solders. Oh, shoot. Whew. Oh my gosh, QuickTime events. Did I unsolder it yet? Okay, so now this says solder. So I don't need that anymore. Now I can take this and I can go get a new resistor. I can get a resistor. Can I put it there? Turn the soldering iron to temperature K. Oh my gosh. Come on, Bubba. Alright, whatever. I guess I have to go to my inventory, huh? Come on, I have the resistor right there. I can see it. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, I had to click on the slot. Oh, wow. News AI revolution. Yeah, it's kind of old news these days. All right.
Click on the cable connector
Whew.
to connect it. Set the appropriate values on the power supply using the knobs. Check that
And that voice is crazy. So I gotta look at this. 11 volts, 11 to 13 volts, 12 volts, and then like 2 amps. Okay. All right. 12 volts and 2. I wish I could like turn my camera a little bit. But we'll just do the volts here. Oh, I don't want to plug this in quite yet. I want to adjust this. How do? 12 volts, 2 amps. 12 volts, 2 amps. Come on now. I click on the power. It's not plugged in? Whoa, that's the problem. There's the plug right there. I need to plug it in. Alright, let's come on now. How do I rotate these? Oh, I turn it with this. Okay, my god. That wasn't super clear. So 2 amps. 12 volts. Alright.
Good. Disconnect the cable. Put the cover in place and screw in the screws.
I know. Hooey. What are the screws? Are these them? Whoa, I repaired a thing. Woo, that was more brain power than I expected to use.
Pick up the reader and put it on the blue-orange rack.
Pick up the reader. I'm trying to stop working. What? Enter work mode. Pick up board, right click. Oh, I see. Okay, and put it on the where? On the rack. Sorry. So I like left click from there, but then I right click from everywhere else. That is not the best UI, right? Like to pick it up, I have to right click.
I won't imprison you in VR.
I want to imprison you in VR.
I see you're a fast learner. You
Complete
have new
TSA.
contracts at your disposal.
All right, let's get some contracts. Let's go. Urgent, I can't open the door. The reader broke down. Challenging soldering skills. Oof. Ethernet board. We'll take this one. Confirm. All right. Complete 2 assignments and make some money. Okay, so I got a thing. Is my soldering station here? There is a soldering workstation. Gosh, right click, left click, put it down. Okay. What the fridge? Let go. Let go. I'll put her on the rack. There, take the box. Alright, I was able to sell it out of my hands. That's good. Get out of here. Condition 0. Alright, I'm gonna leave that be. Alright. Condition 0%. Game over. Continue. Yes. What's this? It's a little tablet. I am not a robot. Oh. Hey. I'm not going to destroy humanity, I promise. Alright, I mean, I like the fun little memes, and I got my certificate. So I guess I have to accept 2 jobs, maybe, before it... Oh, yeah, that's right. I have to... If I go to the computer... Why won't it let me click? I'm left-clicking, man. What the fridge? I want to let me click. Tab, go away. I am spamming left click. It is not clicking. I can not click there. Cannot click there. I guess that's when I get more upgrades. I'd really like to be able to like use my phone or do anything, honestly. Put that away. Dude, I'm like spam clicking on my computer and not letting me do anything. Alright, well, I'm gonna press this. Okay, interesting. I'm just gonna leave for the day, I guess. It won't even let me leave. Dude, I'm pressing left click. What's going on, man? H works. Let's see settings, controls. I mean, that's working. Move on to the next day. Let me move on to the next day. I want to be free. I want to be free. Oh, man, I don't know what's going on. Wild. Yo, right click. Center click. Well, I don't know if that's a bug or I'm just really dumb, but I think I might have to stop my playtest here because I literally don't know how I would progress from this point. But overall, it's a cool game. I think there's a lot of really interesting potential here. I like the idea of it. I like the flow and the vibes, and I like that it's actually teaching me real skills, like teaching me how to use a multimeter, teaching me how to use, how to solder. Like that's awesome. I actually think there needs to be more games like this, and it has like a mysterious, story element of this slightly terrifying AI, and helping me live my life. And then, the threatening email we got from the hackers. So I actually think this game is awesome. I'm really glad you sent it to me. I want to keep playing it. I just don't know how I can. So, yeah, I hope this helps you, as you bug splat and go about your build. But I mean, this game has a lot of polish and a lot of nice stuff. I like the quick time event and soldering. I like that. Put down item, enter work mode. I like that you have the tips on the bottom right corner, kind of telling me what I can do with different things. Yeah, I'm a little bit at a loss for what I'm supposed to do now, but pressing E, F, G, H, H, yeah, H works. Saving, E. Maybe I'll return to menu, and then I'll load. That's a nice little screen. Continue. Oh, that's so pretty. Circuitry is really beautiful.
I see you a fast learner. You have...
Oh, it works. I think that was a bug then. Okay, email. From now on, front I very much need to repair the RFID card. The shipment will arrive next business day. I would ask you to hurry. All right, Coco. Okay, Coco. Let me do contracts. Active server. All right. So in user management support. Oh. All right. All right. Let's get active server. Users add. I'm glad it's letting me actually like do that. That's great. I love that. This is how to do it IRL. Oh wait, no, I'm effing up. Samantha Keith. No, that's right. And this is hers. Yeah. And then hers is S Keith, I think. It was 1, 2, 3, 4 A, right? Capital A. Dude, why? Am I on caps lock or something? Why isn't it cap? There we go. Thank you. I think she was user. Force. Did she have specific permissions? Let's find out. I mean, this feels like my normal. I'm just doing my normal job in some respects. 1, 2, 3, 4 A. S key. Straight up user. Samantha. I don't even know Samantha. Name that movie, you get $1 of pride. He's an admin, okay. Good to know. Alright. All right. Admin, user, yeah. Nothing specific. All right. Cool. Complete. All right, this is coming in tomorrow. Let's just do quick jobs. I'll take this. You know what? All right. I mean, this is cool. I mean, this is a great way to just kind of have a fun learning. So I changed. I've been dusting on my shelf. Something went wrong now. It's broken. Help. Okay. Cool. All right, time for me to go. So yeah, I don't know what happened where it didn't want me to open doors, but it's working now. To have packages come on the weekends, the shipping surcharge. Okay. Uh 5 out of 5 stars. Woohoo! Ah! You better read this. What do I do? I'm just trying to open an iced tea shop, man. All right. Lucky you! You just won $1 million! Yes! Click, 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 click. Yeah, it's spam. We all know that you trust whatever you get an email, right, guys? That's the. All right, so turn change went wrong. Now it's broken. Are there any more quick jobs I can do? No. Shop. So I can't like buy her another Ethernet board. I'll be able to do a course. Terminal. I don't want to do this programming one. Not available in the prologue. Come on now. Terminal. Oh, I like the way it makes you put VR.
So to get started, go into the laptop desk. To perform the course, we will need a terminal. Open it.
This is great. I feel like this is just a great way to learn.
Let's delete the crack file. First, select the category, press remove data. Now you need to choose where the file is located. Click change directory and choose the name of the place where it is located. It is on the desktop.
Oh, that's cool.
So click the desktop. Now we can delete the file. Select the file you need to delete and click enter.
Remove this file. Oh, it should let me type. I kind of want to type.
I will now show you how to recover data. This time we will focus on the order list database. Select the restore data category.
Yeah, I know, but I thought there should be. Recover data at a time. We will focus on the order list database. Select restore data category.
Find the file to recover by clicking disk risk and then select a valuable disk. Then press enter. Now the data can be recovered. Select the restore data category again. Then select check this to recover the data. After that, select the file that was found to be recovered and press enter. Great. Now the last thing, regaining access to the website. To begin with, you need to connect. Now enter the FTP IP you need to connect to. The client will always give you this data, but here for practice purposes, type 31.88, 200.110 and press enter. Now you are connected to the hosting, so you can manage it. Go into the Access Recovery category again, and then click Config FTP and press enter. Here you can set the correct data to make the website work again. The customer will give you this data, but for the purposes of the course, enter in the IP 11.288, 417.38 and domain, main, website. When you're done, click save. You have successfully
I mean, it
completed the
feels really
course.
good.
See you later.
You know, I think there's a lot to be proud of. I think this is a really valuable educational game. I like there's good humor in it. I do wish the story was a little bit more in depth and I kind of could experience some more of what's going on, but all right, so I should have gotten a package, right? No, it's the weekend. So I don't think I've received any packages. I'm gonna clean up my office here. I think that's great though. Like I love games that teach you something, that give you a skill, or that at least like familiar. Whoa. I gotta go bathroom. Can I? Oh, there's no mirrors. Oh, I can't see. That's great. All right, I guess I just leave for the day. Sunday. Kind of want to get to the work there. Hey, here's the box. All right, Ethernet module and RFID. Okay, great. So I gotta take this to here. All right, so what's going on? So I need to keep it around 300 for the soldering temp. 20 kilo ohms. There's a bad resistor. All right. I mean, I should see what it is. Is it on 20 kilo ohms? Which one am I looking at? Far right. So it's at 12. So that's the wrong resistor. Right? Yeah, it says 20. Okay, so I'm going to get this thing going. I want it up to 300. Alright. Should I clean it? Probably should. It probably wouldn't hurt to clean it. This item is clean. Okay, so I'm clean. I cleaned it. I don't think I have to do anything but like desolder this. Oh, I thought I had it. Alright. So now I need a 20 ohm thing. Resistor 402. Do I have any resistors? Did I buy any? Turn that off, I guess. So I guess I need to buy a 20 ohm resistor. I don't think I knew that. Computer accessories, no. PC components. No parts. There we go. Resistors. I don't know I don't know what the part number is for that. R8, yeah, that's a resistor, but is there some sort of like part specs for like what's a 20 ohm? Ohm's law? Hmm. Maybe I can check with the multimeter. Their capacitance or what their resistance is. Okay, I'll try to work on this one here. Huh. I know, I'm trying to unscrew it, man. I'm trying to unscrew it. Heck. Wish there was better light in here too, but I don't know if that's possible here. I'm losing it. Alright. I think I'll just wait. I'll give it one more day. I suppose. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Okay, I got a lot of resistors. Baby box. The box shrunk. Alright, so should be able to take one of these. Okay, that seems good enough for me. What? News tragedy. Okay. All right, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. And this is done. I'm gonna call that good. Take this. Put it in a box. Right? No. Yeah, I feel like this part, like, so the part that is fun for me in this game is the work simulation, right? Is like the soldering simulation, is this type of stuff. The part that is less fun is walking around this weird room and like trying to like navigate what the heck is going on. I think I put it here, right? On the rack. All right. Yeah, like some of the clicking is a little finicky. I think there's just some quality of life stuff. Like, right, I wish there was just a mini game or like even a PvP competition where I could just play other people and who can solder the fastest or whatever. But yeah, in terms of some of the other details, it does get a little frustrating in terms of having to walk around, do email. Like, those aren't the things that I'm as interested in as learning as, like, practicing soldering, pressing, all this stuff. Come on, last percentage. There it goes. I think I got it. It's clean. All right. But anyways, I'm going to call that good for now. Thank you so much for hanging out, those of you who have. This is a cool game. This is called Ciphercraft. I love the mini games of it. I love the way it's teaching soldering, teaching circuitry, stuff like that. My only complaint is that it's a little difficult to just kind of navigate in the world seamlessly. Like, I have to go to the computer, I have to go get an email, yada yada yada. I mean, some of that's fine, but I would just think about, hey, how can I get to the fun parts of this game with less noise in between? I do think that's the biggest thing I would encourage the developer to think about. But overall, great job. Keep up the good work, and excited to see how this continues to roll out. Take care.